In this video, I will show you how to change your bank account in Stripe. To do this, go and open up Stripe, and what you want to do is go to Balances, and then in your Balances, in the top right, click on Manage Payouts, and go to Manage Bank Accounts. Now from here, go and click on Add Bank Account, and then verify it's you by going to your verification, so click Send Verification, and then open up your email. So you have an email that looks something like this, so go and click on Verify Identity. Then they have verified your identity. Now just go back to Stripe and go and enter your password and click Continue. Then enter your 6-digit code from your Authenticator app if you have that set up. And then here you're going to enter your new bank account details. So for example, the currency. Now I already have euros, so I would first need to delete the other one, and I'll show you how you can do that. But for example, British pound, and then the country of your bank account and the IBAN, and then confirm it and then add the bank account. Now after doing that, go to the previous one and go edit account, and from there just go and delete it and set the other one as your main bank account. So that's how to change your bank account in Stripe. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.